Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to type exponents on macOS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to do this in almost any text editor. Let's start with Microsoft Word as an example. To type an exponent, go to the Home tab. Look for the Superscript icon. When you click it, your cursor changes, and you can type your exponent. The opposite is Subscript, which is the icon right next to it. Click that, and you can type small numbers at the bottom. Most text editors have settings for this. The layout might be different depending on the app, but generally just look for the options labeled Superscript or Subscript. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, in Microsoft Word the shortcut for Superscript is Shift-Command+, and for Subscript it's Shift-Command-. Now let's switch to another app, Pages. Here the settings are under Format. Go to Font, then select Baseline. You'll see the Superscript and Subscript options there, along with their shortcuts, just like in Word. Next example, Google Docs. Go to Format, then find Text. You'll see the Superscript and Subscript options here too. As you can see, every app has different shortcuts. If you can't remember them, just check the menu bar settings for anything related to Superscript or Subscript. Finally, I'll open a plain text file using TextEdit. You also go to the Format menu, choose Baseline, and you'll find the options for Superscript and Subscript there as well. Here's a pro tip. You can also use the character viewer. Press Ctrl-Command-Space, type Superscript in the search bar, and then just select the characters you want to use. I hope this helps you type exponents in any app on macOS. If you found this video useful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Easy Tech Steps tutorial.